Hi guys, it's Joy from Community Connections. Today we're outside, it's such a nice day, and since we haven't really been able to go anywhere, I grabbed some stuff that we had laying around the house and created a game for me and one of my granddaughters, Harlow, back there, and we're going to try to play this. So let me show you what we got. Okay, so I took 2 paper plates out of the house and put paint sticks, and I taped them on there for paddles. I didn't have a balloon, so we blew up a plastic glove. And then we have, I brought a bench from the house with a blanket over it, and that's going to be our net. So hop over there, Harlow. Let's see how this goes. 1 point for the good girl. Oh, Harlow got one. Oh, wrong way. Oh. All right, so that's one game you can play.